Welcome back to day 27 of our Java course. Today we are going to talk about something modern and cool that came with Java 10, the var keyword. So what is the var? Normally in Java, when we declare a variable, we write the type explicitly. Example, string name equal to John, int age equal to 25, double salary equal to 50k. But with Java 10, we got var, which allows Java to infer the type for you. So the same thing can be written as var name equal to John, var age equal to 25, var salary equal to 50k. Java knows which is string, int or double. This makes your code looks cleaner and more modern. Var does not mean dynamic typing like in Python or JavaScript. The type is still fixed at compile time. Once inferred, the type cannot be changed. Var age equal to 25. If you write age equal to 10, it will give you an error. You can only use var when the variable is initialized immediately. Var num, it will give an error. Let's write a code using var. Public class var example, public static void main string args, var name equal to Tony Stark, var age equal to 48, var power equal to 99.9. System.out.println name, age, power level, power. And the output will be name Tony Stark, age 48, power level 99.9. So why use var? It saves time and typing. It makes our code shorter and more readable. It's great for complex data types like when you're working with generics. Like without var, you will be writing hash map string list integer map equal to new hash map string list integer. But with var, you'll just write var map equal to new hash map string list integer. So think of var like Jarvis in Iron Man. You don't need to tell him every single detail. He figures it out for you. But once he knows, that's fixed.